I'm sitting here with Nick Artman. He's one of our lead front-end web developers. Thanks for sitting with me.
Sure thing.
So when I was learning JavaScript, I had this feeling that if I don't do it all by hand, if I don't actually write all of the code, then that makes me somehow less able or less awesome or something like that. I felt some shame around using frameworks and libraries. What are your thoughts?
That's actually a misconception that I've encountered amongst a lot of people, because as engineers we want to build a lot of things and we want to make sure that we prove that we can do it. And while it's interesting to experiment with new technologies and with trying to replicate things that you've seen other people doing, the core of good engineering is taking what has been built before, what is well tested, what is documented, like a good framework or library, and using it to build something even greater.
Okay, that sounds really good, actually. So how frequently would you say you tend to use libraries versus just writing code on your own?
So I, in fact, use libraries and frameworks every day. For example, on our site, we use the underscore library to help fill in bits that JavaScript doesn't have natively. And we use the AngularJS framework to give us automatic updating of our page when we modify our data model, and advanced features like that that would take us a lot of time to write ourselves, but the Angular team works on that as their full-time job, which benefits everyone in the community.
So rather than writing it all from scratch, you just use a library or a framework that's really well tested and solidly built. And it sounds like you write a lot of code in frameworks.
Absolutely. And there's no shame in it. In fact, it is leveraging the work of other people to make your work go even further.
So if someone came to you and said, hey, I like to write everything from scratch, would you hire them?
I would tell them I love their tenacity and I love their drive, but I'd want to sit down with them and show them that they can take others' work, such as jQuery and Angular and many libraries and many frameworks out there, and build upon them and make an app that is theirs, not just kind of a rewrite of something that somebody else has already solved. It's always great to advance the state of the art, but except for learning, you don't want to just reinvent the wheel.
Got it. Awesome. Well, thanks for sitting with me.
Sure thing.